Queen Maya took rest under the Asaka tree where she
on the team may be required to be of service and contribution to our community. The core spirit of Buddhist Buddhism is to serve all living beings, voluntary and embody the core giving. We now invite our speakers and the following distinguished
with the power to transform the world. A light to be found in unexpected places. In the compassion of a nurse caring for the sick. In the selflessness of a firefighter risking their life to save others. Or in the kindness of a stranger offering help. It can be found in the midst of chaos, in the courage of those fighting for justice, in the resilience of those who face adversity, in the determination of those refusing to give up hope. Buddha's light is not just for those who meditate in quiet spaces. Regardless of background or beliefs, Buddha's light is for everyone. When the Buddha was born, his journey towards enlightenment commenced.
The many activities